Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Hopefully my sound is on because I filmed this once before and there was no sound apparently. So let me know down below if there is no sound and I will try again. But I'm here to share a Dollar Tree haul. I went today with my son and we picked up a few things. And I wanted to come on and share. So I found these cute stickers. I wish they came in different colors because I think they're adorable. So I got two of those. I got the flowers. These are like plastic. They're so cool and they're dimensional, as you can see. But I got two of those. And then I did pick up one of each of these. The birthday one. Shakers are so cute. Um, these are inspirational. Cute, aren't they? And then this one, I'm trying to get them to stop sticking, but they're all stuck. This one especially. There's not that much stickiness or shaker bits in there, but they're so adorable. I got those. And then I found these poster or wall collage, and I just think these were so cute. They have like pink and blue bow. There's some bows here, some cherries. She's holding a camera, books. Here, more books, butterflies, a coffee. I just love this set. This set was adorable. And then this set, in my last video, I had come on and shared it. So this says wall kit as well, or collage kit, but this is like a really cute Never Stop Exploring Wisconsin. It doesn't matter where you're going, it is who you have beside you. Your journey awaits. Make memories all over the world, and then all these pictures of all over the world. This is New York City. This is Italy. This is Netherlands. I think these are really cool to have. This is Japan. I think this is St. Louis, Missouri. This is the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. This is the pyramids in Egypt. Here's a map of Montana. So these look like postcards. These are in the back here. Life is a beautiful adventure. I love this. Here's a Japan, Germany, Caribbean, Portugal, Quebec, Canada, New York, London, Italy, Hawaii. I love that. And then Egypt. So I bought two of these. I think these were, I don't know. They might have been $1.50. A lot of these were $1.50. So I got those. And then I found the fabric markers, and I tested them out. Not bad. The fine tips of some of them, I don't know if, I need to, I don't know if I need to shake them or whatever, but they weren't that great, but the broad tip was really good, was really, really good. So I have all these. I already took them out of the packaging because I wanted to try them out, test them out. But these are the 3 sets that I got, and I don't know if there's any others, but this was a nice find, and these were $1.25. I know that. Okay, so then I picked up a few of these. These are cupcake wrappers for a project I wanted to try out. I found these cute little fuzzy socks for a open collab I'm doing. I found some of these phones. I wanted these versus the styrofoam ones, and I was glad to find a pack of those. I didn't want more than that. And I found this cute banner that says Happy Halloween, and I just love the ghosts, the kitty cat. I think there's a pumpkin and a spider, and then the letters. I thought these were such a cute size. So I bought that. And then last but not least, I bought these necklaces. I think I heard somebody say that you could cut these apart and use them as little embellishments for your projects. And I thought that was a great idea. So it came in silver, purple, and black. So that is my haul from Dollar Tree. I hope everybody has a great Sunday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.